In this video, I will guide you through how to block any program from accessing internet in Windows. To do this, click on Start and type Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Click it and open it up. From left, select Outbound Rules. Come over to the right and click New Rule. We will create a rule here to stop a selected program from accessing internet. And in here, make sure program is selected and click Next. Here we will need to paste program path. For example, I want to stop VLC from accessing internet. I will click on Start and type VLC. Right-click Program and select Open File Location. Right-click at Program Shortcut and click Properties. Copy the target path. Right-click and paste the path here. Remove quotes from start and end of the path. Then click Next. Make sure Block the Connection is selected. Click Next. Have all of these selected and press Next again. Type the rule name so that you can remember it to find here later. Press Finish. Now, when I will use VLC, it will run offline. Internet connection for VLC will be blocked. If I want to cancel it and allow internet access for VLC, I will select this rule and from right, disable it or completely delete it. So this is how you can block program from accessing internet in Windows. I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.